just like Jericho. C-O-L-A-C-O-L. She walked up to me and she asked me to dance. I asked her her name in a backbone voice. She said Lola. L-O-L-A-Lola. La 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 Lola. I'm not the world's most physical guy, but when you squeeze me tight, you nearly pull my spine. Oh my Lola. La 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 Lola. I'm not dumb, but I can't understand why she walk like a woman but talk like a man. Oh my Lola. La 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 Lola. La 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 Lola. Well, we drank champagne